Welcome to Ajino Matrix, where we bring the power of AI to the world of taste.
Here we are on the home page.
Welcome. What you're about to see is Ajinoverse, a system designed to transform how products are conceived, tested, and validated. Instead of relying on trial and error, we digitize the full sensory logic. We begin by defining a sensory baseline. The system integrates cultural and market profiles, allowing us to calibrate how different populations perceive taste, aroma, and texture. This is critical. Perception is not universal, it is contextual. Recipe graph. We then import a formulation. Instantly, the system maps the recipe as a structured graph, connecting ingredients, transformations, and processes. This allows us to move from static recipes to dynamic systems. Ingredient intelligence. Each ingredient is not treated as a label, but as a structure. The system decomposes it into molecular, nutritional, and sensory layers, building a precise baseline of its contribution. Process validation. We then validate the process itself. Temperature, duration, transformations, everything is checked for consistency and feasibility. The system ensures the formulation is coherent before moving further. Sensory prediction. At this stage, the system generates a full sensory profile. By combining ingredients and processes, it predicts how the final product will taste, feel, and evolve across multiple dimensions. Real-time simulation. Now we move into simulation. As we adjust ingredient ratios, the system recalculates instantly. This enables rapid prototyping without physical testing. Cultural mapping, but performance is not global by default. Here, we overlay cultural perception models. The same product can now be evaluated across different markets and adapted accordingly. Consumer validation loop. Finally, we connect prediction to reality by integrating consumer feedback collected through applications like Chef Paradis. We compare predicted profiles with actual user perception. This creates a dual validation system: expert panel alignment and real-world consumer response. Closing, positioning. The result is a continuous loop: prediction, validation, refinement. This is not just analysis. It is a system for designing products with measurable confidence. Ajinoverse turns sensory complexity into structured decision-making. This is sensory intelligence applied. A recipe that is technically correct is only the first step. The real question is whether consumers will actually enjoy it. With this new Ajinoverse 4.3 workflow, we connect formulation science with real consumer appreciation. We begin with the expert panel view. Here, trained assessors compare the recipe's predicted sensory behavior with the actual panel feedback. This allows us to verify whether the product is structurally aligned with its intended profile, but structural accuracy alone does not guarantee market success. So we move to the consumer layer. In this environment, Ajinoverse aggregates hedonic feedback at scale: average ratings, match indicators, liking and disliking patterns, and the overall distribution of positive or negative reactions. The platform is designed to ingest large data sets quickly. Here, new consumer responses can be uploaded in bulk, allowing the system to refresh its market reading almost instantly. Then comes the synthesis step. This is where expert validation and consumer appreciation are brought together in one comparative view. A product may be validated by experts, yet still underperform with certain audiences. Or it may score only moderately on technical conformity while generating strong appeal in a key market segment. By filtering by geography, age group, or other target populations, Ajinoverse helps identify who responds best to a formulation and where adaptation may still be needed. So, the platform is no longer only answering, is this recipe correct? It is also answering, will consumers like it, and for whom is it most promising? That is where Ajinoverse becomes not just an R&D platform, but a true decision support system for product success.